Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. I'm baking Barbie cupcakes with this edible paper. So I found this craft shop. I've never tried this one, so I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna cut this edible paper into Barbie shape and make some cute pink Barbie cupcake. Sugar sheets. This side has clear sheet, so I think I can draw on this side so I can cut out easier. So I made like Barbie head template by myself. I'm gonna, draw Barbie head here. But make sure you paint on the clear side. Don't put on sugar side, okay? And now I'm gonna cut. I also wanna try like heart. Looks horrible. Maybe I can just draw. I just cut all of these out with tiny scissors. And today I'm gonna do easy, so I use this strawberry cake mix. Okay, for cake mix, 1 cup of water, half cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs, and we mix. Okay, I have these cute cups today. Rest of butter, I wanna make it even pinkier. I'm gonna put beets powder. I dissolve beets powder with a tiny amount of hot water. Oh my god! Now it's pinkier. It's almost the same color as my bowl. They look already cute. And I put some strawberry inside. I want to hide this inside. Now the oven is 325 degrees. Put it in the oven for 12 to 17 minutes. I'm baking Barbie cupcakes in Barbie cupcake oven. Now I think they're ready. Oh my god. Oh, they smell so good. Hot, hot, hot. Oh, look at these cute pink cupcakes. Doors, look at this. So far, they look perfect, like beyond perfect. So the darker pink, I added extra beach powder. They look cuter. They definitely look cuter. Maybe if you compare to regular cupcake, even the original color, of course it's pink, but the one I added beach powder, it looks really cute pink. So I need to let these chill and I can put buttercream to decorate. You know, when I bake something, take these out from the oven, I usually break couple so I can eat them, but this time I didn't break any of them. But guess what? I'm gonna eat anyway. Because don't you think right after when you take out from the oven, they always taste the best, I think. Let me try one of them. Okay, I'm trying this. Let me show you inside. So remember, I put strawberry. Real strawberry. Look, it looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. I have tried to put strawberry jam inside before and that one was too sweet actually. This time I tried with just regular strawberry. 여보, 초이시. It's so good. Let me finish this before I start working on buttercream. Now I'm gonna make buttercream. Unsalted room temperature butter. And I put some powdered sugar. And I put little milk. 3 tablespoons and mix. To make it perfect Barbie pink, I think I need both beach powder and food coloring. When I mix together, it comes with perfect Barbie pink. If I put beach powder directly, it takes forever to dissolve. So I mix with tiny amount of hot water first. I make like, and I add. Wow! Now it looks purple-ish pink. And then here I add pink food coloring. Then the color comes out perfect. Wow, it's like getting closer to Barbie pink. Crazy pink. I'm adding more sugar because it's getting a little loose. Here, my cute pink cupcake. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is super cute. Okay, so they're getting a little melted, so let me finish this quick and I'm gonna put in fridge like 5 minutes so I can decorate better. Oh my god, my melting. Okay, let's put it quick. This is so cute. These are so cute, like a cartoonish. So I put these in fridge like just 5 minutes. They're a little bit solid. So now I think I can put decoration. Here, remember the sugar sheets, the edible paper. I cut out a bunch of different shapes now. Let me put this. Maybe I should do the Barbie one first. So I need to peel the clear part layer. It's not edible. Don't eat this part. And don't break it. Like this? Oh my god! It's cute, it's cute. It's really cute. I also have heart. Oh, I love this one. I have high heel. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is awesome. And I have lips. Oh, I forgot. I have another cool one. Sunglasses. Okay, last one. I am so excited. I'm like so excited. Alright. Ta-da! Uh-oh. I messed up. Hey, ta-da! Here are Barbie cupcakes. Yay, 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 yay! Oh, let's eat. I baked Barbie cupcakes with Barbie oven in Barbie kitchen. Awesome. So look, cutest Barbie cupcakes ever. I mean, I've seen some cute one by professional done, you know, but for homemade, I think these are the cutest. Don't you think? So okay, let me have one. Should I try Barbie face one? I don't wanna eat Barbie face yet. Yeah, I wanna kill Barbie one. No, I have 4 of them, so maybe I will have Barbie one. Barbie cupcake. I wanna bite it, but first I wanna show you guys the inside because I made it even pinkier. Remember? Look, but like this. The fresh strawberries are inside. Cute pink. Let me eat some. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Oh, maybe you guys are curious about the taste of sugar paper, right? Sorry, Barbie. Here's the sugar paper. It tastes like sugar. Because it is sugar. I think I did perfect. After I made the buttercream pink, buttercream came out too watery. But besides that, I think it came out really good. And it tastes good. 完食. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.